Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wondered how muscles really grow, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with amazing health tips. Now let's get into the topic 1. Muscle stress, 10-20 sec. When you exercise, your muscles face micro tears, small damage caused by stress from lifting weights or resistance training. Recovery process, 20-35 sec. The magic happens during recovery. Your body repairs these tears using protein and proper rest, rebuilding muscles bigger and stronger. Acupuncture for faster recovery, 35-50 sec. Here's the game changer. Acupuncture improves blood circulation, speeds up recovery, reduces soreness, and enhances muscle growth naturally. Want to recover faster and grow stronger? Visit SBV Acupuncture Clinic, where ancient healing meets modern science. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.